Okay, so welcome back. So in this example, we're going to talk about tolerances. Okay, so again, in manufacturing, in lots of cases, lots of scenarios where there's a tolerance involved, where we want to be within a certain range for something to be acceptable. Okay, so something to be usable. Okay, in manufacturing, this is a big deal. Okay, so for conformity reasons and for quality assurance reasons. So in this example here, let's say that a 3% error is acceptable for a machine part to be usable, okay? And so let's say that the part is intended to be 57 centimeters long. So that's on the specs, right? So that's what it's on the blueprint, on the specs, that's what it says. This is the measurement it's intended to be, is 57 centimeters long. But as long as we're within 3%, right? Of that, as long as the length is not more than a 3% change either way, we're good, okay? So the question is what is the range of measures that this part is still going to be acceptable for? So in this case, we need to find the minimum value based on this error and the maximum value based on this error. So what are we going to do? Well, we're going to take that 3% and we're going to add it to 100% to get the maximum value, and we're going to subtract it from 100% to get the minimum value. So we're going to still use that formula, but now what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, we're going to find the maximum or the minimum. Let's find the minimum value, the minimum tolerance. In this case, the minimum length is going to be equal to what? It's going to be equal to the what? 100% minus the 3%. So let me do it this way. Oops. Oh gosh. Oh. Sorry about that. My thighs are killing me. Okay. Okay, so here's the thing. Minimum length, okay, so we're going to get the minimum length, we're going to take 3% and subtract that from 100%. So, because we're talking about a decrease, so it's going to be 97%. So basically we're going to take 97% of the original length. That's the minimum length we're going to have. Okay? The maximum length that this part can be to be usable is then now what we're going to do is we're going to take the 3% and we're going to add it to 100%. And multiply that by 57%. So this will give us the maximum. Now again, remember, we can't have percentages. So we're going to have to change these to decimals. So this will be 0.97. And this will be 1.03. And so what do we get when we put that in our calculator? What are the minimum and maximum values that we get? We get 55.29. Centimeters. And the maximum value that we get is 58.71. Okay, now, so what's the range of values? Well, the range of values are going to be anything from 55.29 centimeters to 58.71 centimeters. And this is the final answer. Those are the range of values that this part is still going to be acceptable. So anything from 55.29 centimeters to 58.71 centimeters. That's it. Have a great day.